Tired of your important emails ending with the generic "sent from my iPhone"? It can look unprofessional, and it's a missed opportunity to share your details. Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a signature in the Gmail app on your iPhone or iPad, so every email you send looks polished and professional. Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. If you've ever sent off a quick but important work email from your phone, only to realize later that the default signature undermined your message, you are definitely in the right place. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in how you're perceived, and manually typing your info every single time is just a waste of time. The great news is that setting up a custom Gmail mobile signature is a set-it-and-forget-it task that takes less than 2 minutes. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps, and I'll even share a few pro tips on what to include in a professional email signature and how to manage signatures for multiple accounts. Let's get this sorted out right now. All right, step 1. The first thing you need to do is open the Gmail app on your iPhone or iPad. Once you're looking at your inbox, tap on the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This opens up the main menu with all your folders and labels. Now you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list. Near the end, you'll see a gear icon next to the word Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 2. This brings you to the main settings screen. At the top, you'll see your Google account listed. If you have multiple accounts logged into your Gmail app, you would select the specific account you want to create the signature for right here. For this video, we'll just use my main account. Now, ignore all the other options for now and scroll down until you see the section titled Compose and Reply. Inside this section, you'll find the option we're looking for, Signature Settings. Tap on it. Step 3. Okay, this is where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle for mobile signature. By default, this is turned off, which is why Gmail just uses its generic signature or your desktop one. Tap the toggle to turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, a text box appears. This is where you'll type the exact signature you want to appear on all emails sent from this device. You can now erase that sent from my iPhone for good. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, do me a favor and tap the like button below. It takes a second, but it massively helps the channel and lets me know I'm making useful content for you. Thanks. Okay, let's craft that perfect signature. Step 4. Now what should you put in your signature? For a clean professional email signature, I recommend keeping it simple but informative. A great format is your full name, your title or role, your company name, and a phone number or a link to your LinkedIn profile. Let's type that in. Keep in mind that the mobile app doesn't support images or complex HTML, so stick to plain text for the best results across all devices. Once you're happy with it, simply tap the back arrow or settings at the top left. Gmail saves it automatically. There's no save button, which can be a little confusing. And that's it. To be absolutely sure it's working, let's do a quick test. Go back to your main inbox and tap the Compose button. As you can see, the new signature is already there, ready to go. You never have to worry about it again for this account on this device. And there you go. In just a few simple steps, you now know exactly how to add a signature in the Gmail app on your iPhone and customize your Gmail on iPad. No more generic or unprofessional sign-offs. You can now send emails on the go with confidence, knowing you're always putting your best foot forward. If this tutorial was useful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more time-saving tech tips from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And I have a question for you. What other simple task in Gmail or another app do you find frustrating? Let me know in the comments below and I might make it my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.